Hello, this is a video to go over the notes about ratios. A ratio is a comparison of any two numbers. Ratios can be in either fractions, which is on this side, or part-to-part ratios, which is on this side of the umbrella. When dealing with fractions, a fraction is a type of ratio where it's a part-to-whole ratio. That means the denominator is going to be the whole amount of something. Sometimes you might see complex fractions. A complex fraction looks like this, where you have a numerator, and then the denominator is a fraction. Or you could have a numerator as a fraction, and the denominator is just a whole number. Or you could have a fraction as a numerator and a fraction as the denominator. That means a fraction where the numerator and or denominator are fractions is known as a complex fraction. To deal with complex fractions, you just need to remember that this line means divide. So this is really 12 divided by 3/4. And this line means divide. So that is really 1/4 divided by 7. In our last unit, we learned about how to divide fractions. So remember, you keep the first number the same, then change your division to multiplication, and then flip the second number if you were going to divide these by hand. You can also use a calculator in this unit. On the other side, we are dealing with part-to-part ratios. A lot of times when we're dealing with a part-to-part ratio, we're actually dealing with a rate. A rate is a comparison of two numbers in different units. An example of a rate could be 120 miles per 2 hours. You notice that I read the division line, or the fraction bar, as the word per. So a lot of times when we're using rates, we hear the word per. Unit rates is where you have a rate in the second quantity, the denominator, is 1. You can turn any rate into a unit rate if you take the numerator divided by the denominator. If I do that over here, I get 120 divided by 2, which is 60, and then my labels will end up being miles per hour. Again, you read the division bar as the word per for your labels. And a lot of times we write miles per hour as MPH.